This is the 2021 Salem Hemisphere 369BL. These are the awnings, and I'm going to take you inside and show you what it looks like. Okay. Pantry. This is the bunk room. The bottom bed can fold out, and then this one has latches and it can lift up like that, and it locks in. Here's the closet. Plenty of storage. Drawers. Desk. The stairs. This is an upper bunk area. You can mount a TV up there so you can play video games, or bathroom. It's a shower. Lots and lots of storage. Storage. And a medicine cabinet, vanity. And then this is the main living, or main bedroom. This is a lot of storage under here. And this is designed for a king mattress. And then this is the closet. Washer and dryer hookup. Rails. A lot of closet space in here. Dresser. Your TV goes right there. And then I will take you back outside to look at storage. Exterior speakers. If you have kids, you can turn the sound off on the inside but play it on the outside. There's all this. You have your spare tire. There's the hitch. Tires are hardly used at all. They still have complete tread. And this is the back of the RV. It's got 2 AC units and a backup camera on it. And once again, this is the